Hi, my name is Annelies Quaegebeur and I'm a neuropathologist and a researcher here at the University of Cambridge. My research group is interested in understanding the processes that underlie diseases such as progressive supranuclear palsy and related disorders. In particular, we study processes such as the immune cells of the brain, the microglia, as we know that they respond to the protein that accumulates in progressive supranuclear palsy, which we call tau. But we need to understand much better how they actually respond to tau and how we may be able to target them for new treatment avenues in the disease. So I've been always interested in the brain. So when I started studying medicine, it wasn't a surprise that I was training in neurology afterwards. And then I did a PhD in neuroscience, and that's when I really got bitten by the bug of science and research and understanding the tissue more, which made me decide to, after my neurology degree, also to specialize in neuropathology. Neuropathologists are doctors that specialize in making a diagnosis through the microscope, so making a tissue diagnosis. And my specialty within neuropathology is looking at brains from people with various dementia and movement disorders such as progressive supranuclear palsy. With the support from the PSP Association, we are studying the role of immune cells in progressive supranuclear palsy. And we're doing this study by using tissue from people having lived with the disease and have generously donated their brains after passing away. And we hope with this research to better understand how exactly these immune cells contribute to the disease, and which will hopefully lead to new treatment avenues for this disease. Progress in science really relies on a diversity in thinking and a diversity in approaching scientific problems. And this diversity obviously goes way beyond just genders, but on a day like today, it's important to just pause and reflect on all the improvements that have already happened in the science-gender gap, but also the long way that we still have ahead of us. And I think it's to all of us to really embrace that diversity and to make sure that everyone feels they have a place in science. It's a great day to celebrate all the fantastic women that enrich the scientific community and to keep encouraging the next generation of women in science.